Okay, so here's a brain teaser I saw on Twitter. Which is larger, 2 to the factorial of 100 or the factorial of 2 to the 100? So I'm going to make some Python functions and try to see what's bigger. We're going to make two functions. F is going to be the first one, 2 to the factorial of n, and g is going to be the factorial of 2 to the n. Really easy to use Python's factorial function, but don't forget to import it. Here's where we're just going to print out f and g from 0 to 10. Then we'll see what's bigger. Ready? Whoa, those are kind of big numbers. It looks like f starts off bigger, but then g gets bigger. What we'll do is we'll convert the numbers to strings and just find out how long they are. This is just going to give us the number of digits. So there. Starts off at the same number of digits. G gets bigger, 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 but then f gets bigger and keeps getting bigger. I'm thinking that 2 to the factorial of 100 is bigger.